name is Mandi Lynn. I'm the author of the fantasy novels Essence and I Am Mercy and thriller novel She's Not Here. And today it is the release day of the second edition of Essence and also the unboxing video. So normally I do the unboxing of my book way before the release day of the book. However, today we're doing it the day before, but you guys are seeing it the day of. That is not usually how things like this are planned. Normally, you plan things way better and you unbox it like maybe a month beforehand or even just a few weeks. That way, if anything goes wrong, you have time. I do not have time to fix it. Like, I can quickly fix it tonight as long as it's nothing big. However, I am confident that this book is perfect. But a lot of things have gone wrong with the release of this book, so who knows? So to tell you how many things have gone wrong, I'm gonna give you a quick story. I ordered this book weeks ago, and it like never came in. And I went and looked up the tracking information, and it was in the same post office for days, and it was my post office that it stops at right before it gets to my house. So it was so close yet so far. So after losing my patience today, I was like, my book comes out tomorrow. I need this book in my hands so I can actually see if it, looks okay. So I called the post office. The post office said when I called that they never received the package, and when they looked into it more, the package was shipped without an address. It had my name, it had my town and state, it did not have the address. I don't know what happened. So then I called Ingram Spark, my lovely printer Ingram Spark, and I said, what the heck happened? Not only did I have to wait on the phone for a long time, but the poor guy that I spoke to, I gave him a very hard time because I said, you know what? You shipped me a book without the shipping address on it. How is it supposed to get to me? I was very angry and very upset and not willing to go with the flow. He was like, oh, well, you can order a new one and have it shipped to you. And I was like, no, I'm not ordering a new one. I ordered this one and it didn't come in. So after all was said and done, nothing was resolved. Ingram Spark has the tendency of not having the best customer service in the world, and I can now attest to that. Luckily, when I had called the post office the first time, the guy wrote down my information. He wrote down my address, my name, my phone number, and would let me know if there were any updates. Well, I don't know what he did or if it was just a Christmas miracle, but later that day, I got a text saying that the package had arrived at the post office. So I freaked out and I called the post office and said, can I just pick it up myself? I was not willing to risk losing this book again. So they said, yes, you may pick it up, and I went to go pick it up, and guess what? The road to the post office was closed. It was under construction. This is the story of my life, people. And this is not the only thing that went wrong with the production of this book. Like, so many things went wrong that I have a whole video that I think I'm gonna do where I just talk about everything that went wrong so you can learn from me and realize what not to do. So, eventually, after figuring out how to get through the closed road, I eventually got to the post office and picked up the package, which you see right here. Now, with all said and done, do I regret republishing my book? No, absolutely not. I am very confident that I'm going to be very happy with the results of having a new book cover. I think it'll help sell the novel better. I think it just makes my heart happier to have a better book cover. And yeah, I'll be talking more about the republication and why I chose to republish my novels in a later video, but today we're just gonna hop into the unboxing. And if you stay tuned, I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned to see how that giveaway goes. But now is the moment of truth. I'm gonna unbox this baby, and this is the paperback. I still haven't gotten the hardcover yet. The hardcover hasn't even shipped yet because this is the story of my life. So I'm gonna try my best to open it. I did not bring scissors. Okay, there we go. You don't need scissors. Just use bare strength. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay. It's beautiful. All right, there we go. So we got a beautiful book and a spine and a back. And I love it. And I'll show you guys. Oh, it's just so pretty. And let's look at the first page. Oh yes. And then there we go. Boom. Now I'll admit, I can't remember if this was the way I wanted it, because I know on She's Not Here I have the signing page first, and then the fancy title page, and then I have it backwards here. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or not. So see this right here? That color is supposed to go all the way to the edge of the page. So I'm gonna have to fix that real quick tonight so you guys get the correct covers when you order it, when you see this today. But yeah, so I'm very happy with the outcome. It feels nice because it's an Ingram Spark copy and it looks beautiful. I will note my one disappointment whenever I have books, and especially with Ingram Spark, is that I've noticed it comes printed much like muted, and I think that would be no matter what printer I go through. But I will note down here was supposed to be like a very purple mist, and you can see there's purple here, but the purple gets kind of lost in the darkness of the cover here, which, you know, whatever, okay, I'll live with it. But you know, it'd be nice if it was that bright purple, because even with the cover for She's Not Here, it wasn't quite as vivid as I wanted it to be, and that wasn't to the fault of like my cover designer or to the printer. That's just kind of how it is. When you print something, when you go from digital to like print, it's not always as vibrant, and I've noticed that happens with everything. So this is the cover for Essence. We have a new cover for I Am Mercy coming as well. And yeah, so if you would like to win, a signed paperback of Essence, all you have to do is go to the description down below, click on the little contest entry link, and that will bring you to a raffle copter. So how does that work? Basically, you can have as many entries in the world as you would like. There's an entry if you comment on this video, if you subscribe to the channel, if you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all those different things. If you tweet about it, you get an entry. So basically, the more things you do, the more entries you get. And this will be open for 2 weeks, so you have 2 weeks to enter to win a signed copy of Essence. And yeah, that is it for today. Overall, I'm very happy with the product of this book, and I will go ahead and fix this little title page. But other than that, the book is good, and I'm just so happy to have it in my hands. Finally, it took so long. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to order it on Amazon. I will have signed copies for sale on my website, but until then, just enter the giveaway. So thank you all for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe.